ada nombor dia. Ya, every bunga tu letak petal dia tu.
So, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today, our group will reflect on the Ftir analysis of red roselle, or scientifically called as hibiscus sativa. But before that, I want to introduce our members. Hi everyone, my name is Nur Adlin binti Abdul Wahab. My matrix number is A5452.
Hi, my name is Amni Nurdini binti Muhammad Zulkifli. My matrix number is A6583.
Hello, my name is Aisyah Humaira binti Zanarifin. My matrix number is A6174.
Hi, my name is Chitrika Anapan Pamurili and my matrix number is A6951.
My name is Samsa Vaidili Naidu. My matrix number is A7017.
Hello, my name is Nurul Adika Shakira binti Muhammad Rizal and my matrix number is A6630. Bye!
So, in this study, the red roselle sample was prepared as an aqueous extract using distilled water. FTIR is Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy was used to identify the functional group. The functional group is to present based on their observation at specific wave number.
So, there are two objectives of this study. First, to identify the functional group present in red roselle extract by using FTIR. Second, to interpret the absorption peaks and relate them to the chemical components of the extract. FTIR works by passing infrared radiation through a sample. Different chemical bonds absorb infrared radiation at specific wavelengths, producing characteristic peaks that correspond to the functional groups.
Now, let's talk about the procedure. The procedure for FTIR analysis contains several steps. First, the red part of red roselle flower will wash with distilled water to remove the dirt. For the second step, the sample was boiled with distilled water to extract the soluble bioactive compound. The last part of procedure is boiling. After boiling, the extract was allowed to cool and then filtered to remove the solid residue. The obtained water extract was analyzed by FTIR instrument. The FTIR spectrum is recorded around 4,000 to 600 per centimeter for functional group identification. Based on the FTIR spectrum of the red roselle extract, several signification absorption peaks were observed. A broad absorption peaks between 3200 to 3600 inverse centimeter is clearly observed. These peaks correspond to the oxygen-hydrogen stretching vibration. The oxygen-hydrogen functional group is originated from two main sources. One is distilled water, which contains oxygen-hydrogen bonds. Another one is hydroxyl group present in red roselle compounds such as phenolic compound and also phenols. The broad nature of this peak indicates hydrogen bonding, which is typical for aqueous plants to anthrax.
Next, an absorption peak at approximately 1,300 per centimeter is observed. This peak corresponds to C double bond C stretching, indicating the presence of aromatic structures. Additionally, absorption peaks in the region of 1,000 to 1,200 per centimeters correspond CO stretching vibrations, which are commonly associated with alcohols and organic acids.
The strong OH peak confirms that the sample is the required substance, and it also indicates the presence of hydroxide-containing bioactive compound in red roselle. The presence of C double bond C and CO function further supports the existence of phenolic compounds, such as flavonoids and antioxidants. Although FTIR cannot identify the specific compound, the detected functional group provides a strong evidence for the chemical composition and antioxidant property of red roselle.
In conclusion, FTIR analysis of red roselle extract prepared with distilled water successfully identified several key functional groups. The broad peak at 3,200 to 3,600 confirmed the presence of OH functional groups that contributed by both distilled water and hydroxyl groups in red rosette compounds. The peak at 1600 per centimeter indicates C equals C bonds suggesting aromatic structures, while the peaks at 1000 to 1200 per centimeter represent carbon-oxygen bond associated with alcohol and organic acids. So, this study demonstrated that FTIR is an effective method for the preliminary chemical characterization of aqueous plant extracts. Thank you.